Hi guys, welcome back to another drone view of Switzerland. Today takeoff is from the top of the car just outside the village of Scherzingen. But before I give you an overview, let's look at the winter-stricken forest. So this street here is the 471 and it leads to the village of Amrisville. Now what you're seeing here is the village of Scherzingen, which is in the Gemeinde of Münsterlingen and is a small lakeside village in the canton of Thurgau, East Switzerland. This lake that you're seeing in your backdrop is the Lake of Konstanz, and it is international waters. It shares its shores with Switzerland, Austria, and Germany. If you look way in the back, that's Germany over there on the other side of the lake. So again, here you're seeing the 471. This is a slight incline, so the cars are actually going uphill. So you get a very nice view of the Lake of Konstanz, which you're seeing in your shot right now. During the summer, this lake is full of boats and yachts, and it's absolutely beautiful, and ferries. So you can get ferries from one country to the next, so from Switzerland to Germany to Austria. Amazing. Alright, here I'm just showing you a little bit of the forest. So the forest is very popular here. People go for walks, they go walk their dogs. It's very well kept. And this is just the forest just outside Scherzingen, and you can go take a walk. I decided to show you this view because it's one of my favorite views or spots in Thurgau to stop and enjoy the nature, to enjoy the lake. So this is why I've decided to show you this view. Alright, that's it for now guys. Continue to enjoy the rest of the video, which is mostly me trying to land. And I'll see you next time somewhere in Switzerland. Bye!